Welcome to the new video. Here we can learn electrical design of a building. This is an architecture of a flat. We design electrical systems like lighting, small power, load schedule, and cable tray. First, we convert this arch to a block. Then lock the layer. Fist, we design lighting system. So in order to choose luminaires, we calculate lux value. Here I am using Dialux Evo software for lighting calculation. Open Dialux Evo, load the architecture, and develop the building. Detailed Dialux tutorial is available in this channel. Add luminaires. This is just the examples I shows here. Set the required lux value. Here I choose Europa Standard. For bedroom, minimum lux value should be 200 lux. For kitchen, it should be 400 and bathroom set to 150. After the lux calculation, next step is modeling the luminaries. This is the lighting final drawing.